Dropship.io versus Zendrop for dropshipping all in-depth comparison. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll take a look at these two leading platforms for dropshipping. They have a lot of features but also some key differences you need to know about. So let's take a look at the advantages, disadvantages, prices, and in the end of the video you'll know exactly which platform is the most suitable as for you. I strongly recommend you to use my link to the description to join platform. So in this case you'll get the best possible conditions to start with dropship and also with Zendrop. So let's start from platform overview. Dropship.io is a cloud-based dropshipping platform that provides access to a wide range of products from suppliers all over the world. It's really important to know. It offers a user-friendly interface. It was really easy for me to start with, making it easy for beginners to get started with dropshipping. Dropship.io also provides a variety of features such as order fulfillment, inventory management, and customer support. What can we tell about Zendrop? Zendrop is a dropshipping platform that specializes in providing high-quality products from US and Europe suppliers. It offers a user-friendly interface and a variety of features such as order fulfillment, also inventory management, customer support. Zendrop also offers a unique white label feature that allows businesses to create their own branded invoices and packaging slips. So it's really important if you want to create your own branding. Zendrop is definitely more suitable. So targeted audience, Dropship.io is suitable for a wide range of different businesses, from beginners to experienced dropshippers. It's user-friendly and comprehensive features that make it an ideal choice for businesses looking for a turnkey solution for their dropshipping needs. And if we are going to talk about Zendrop, it's primarily designed for businesses that are looking for high-quality products from US and EU suppliers. It focuses on quality, and its unique white label feature make it an ideal choice for businesses looking to build a strong brand. So the key features are for Dropship.io, like access to a wide range of products from suppliers worldwide, user-friendly interface, order fulfillment, inventory management, and customer support. For Zendrop, high-quality products from US and EU suppliers, user-friendly interface, order fulfillment, inventory management, customer support, and white label feature. And what are the differences? One of the key differences between Dropship.io and Zendrop is their product offering. So Dropship.io provides access to a wider range of products from a variety of suppliers, while Zendrop specializes in providing high-quality products from US and EU. Another key difference is their white label feature. So Zendrop is the only platform that offers this unique, which allows businesses to create their own branded invoices and packaging slips. So if we're going to talk about advantages, Dropship.io has a wide range of products, user-friendly interface, comprehensive feature set, and excellent customer support. And Zendrop provides us the opportunity to get high-quality products from US and EU suppliers, also user-friendly interface, order fulfillment, inventory management, customer support, and white label feature. But the disadvantages are for Dropship.io: higher pricing plans compared to Zendrop, limited products offering compared to some competitors, and Zendrop focus on US and EU products only, and they have monthly subscription fee. I don't think that's like disadvantages, but you need to know about it. So in conclusion, we can say that both of them are excellent dropshipping platforms that offer a range of features and services to help businesses succeed. Dropship.io is a great choice for businesses looking for a turnkey solution with a wide range of products and features, while Zendrop is a great choice for businesses looking for high-quality products from US and EU suppliers and a white label feature. Who should use it? Dropship.io, business looking to a turnkey dropshipping solution with a wide range of products and features, and Zendrop, business looking for a high-quality products from US and EU suppliers and white label feature. So as I said, use my link to the description. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.